Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Theo with All Nations Racing, and since I got this big old boat in my front driveway, I package. I don't know if you guys know Mike Hill with Hilljob Graphics. He recently posted on Facebook that he was doing mystery boxes. So I said, you know what? Let me get two of them. So I did get two mystery boxes. He can have anything from shirts, koozies, hats, whatever he does. He did say he was going to put a random code in here for roof signs and decals. Also, he's going to do 10-20% off codes as well. So let's crack this open and see what we got. So my handy scan, this box got a little damaged on one side here. So all right, we're on the back of the golf cart here. So we got this box here. Let's see what's in it. These are the box cutters they give us at work. So it's kind of not the best box cutters in the world, but they're safety cutters. They have to be safe for work use. All right. So you can see we got two boxes. So we're gonna do one box in this box in this video, and we're gonna do another box in another video. So as you can see, Hilljob Graphics. Hilljob Graphics. So let's get these opened up. I'm gonna do one in this box. So we're gonna do this one. All right. This one is lighter than that one. Usually I would go heavier first, but we're gonna go light this time. These are nice little boxes. Nice designs on them. So let's again use my safety cutter because it's a safety cutter. Stupid thing. I told them I want my big box cutter back. You know, the one that you slide the blade out. They said no. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Someone driving by with a nice loud music on it. All right. I see a hat and a sticker. So let's see here. We've got can koozie. Nice. I like that. A fully loaded Derby apparel. That's great. That's a nice sticker. That's going to go on the front of the golf cart. See? Golf cart. Front stickers. And we got a hat. I love my hats. Oh, look at that. A Lincoln on it. Yeah, Lincoln. Nice. I like these. I like these hats. I'm a hat guy. I'm not wearing one right now. We got another sticker of a minivan. All right. So that was that first box. That's a great little box. So yeah, we're going to put the minivan on the golf cart, or we might put it up on the... Hey, we could probably put it up on the toolbox too. But we got a hat. I love hats. So that's nice. And a fully loaded Derby apparel. So sticker. That can go on the front of the golf cart. And a can koozie for all my drinks. You know, I'm a soda dry. You see, I'm a soda guy. So there you have it, folks. The first $20 mystery box from Hilljob Graphics. Get your graphics done with him. I might hit him up this year. I need a roof sign. You know, we got that nice big old boat right there. It's going to need a brand new roof sign. So we'll see. But there you guys have. As you can see, my hair is a mess today. Just woke up, had a long night. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.